Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. Today video is about the France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship Program. This scholarship is basically from master and PhD. So we discuss about its detail and then we go for that how you can find your program and what is the procedure. I saw many videos on it, but nobody tells about that where you have to make an account, how you can search your program, that where you have to apply. So I will give you all up and down what kind of thing you have to do in this scholarship. So this is the main page of the France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship, and you have to do everything here. I will guide you everything one by one that what you have to do, and I will attach all of the website links in the description section that you can easily find all of the things here. First, we discuss about that what is the objective of this scholarship. The France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship Program is tool developed by the French Ministry of Foreign Affairs to assist French institutions of higher education in the attraction the best foreign to master and doctoral student and PhD program. And one more important thing in this scholarship is that you cannot apply directly to the scholarship. First, you have to apply a French institute. Your institute give you a pre-admission letter, and then on that base you will be eligible for the scholarship. And you cannot directly apply for the scholarship. Your institute will refer you for a scholarship. So you have to remember these kind of things before applying the scholarship. The study area they mention about biology and health, ecology, transition, mathematics, digital engineering and science, and for humanity and social sciences they are offering history, French language and civilization, law and politics, political science and economics and management. Almost every subject is included in this scholarship because biology and health didn't mean that just biology and health. Biology health include biotechnology, biomedical, all of the field related to biology. And what at the level of study the in course leading to a master degree in an engineering program or a joint doctoral program. And master level is basically for 12 month, 24 month and 36 month. So normally what happen all over the world, the master is basically for 2 years, but here they mention that a maximum of 36 months for the completion of engineering degrees. If you are doing for engineering degrees, like they mention it here, engineering science, so the master degree will be for 3 years. So you have to remember this one. Doctor degree is basically for 12 to 13, say 36 months, almost 3 years. And benefit they mention here is about the France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship holder receive a monthly allowance of 1200 euros or pound. So those who will be eligible for this scholarship, they will get scholarship in a master degree in the form of monthly allowance, which will be at 1200 pounds. And international students will also get transport, national transportation, insurance, housing, searches and cultural activities. It means that they also provide you a air ticket, and in city transport it's a free. You will get a free insurance, you will get a housing searches, they will give you in campus housing, or if you are going to outside for a housing, they will also facilitate you, and the cultural activity. But for for PhD, they will give you around about 2100 pounds from January 2026. So they will provide you a different allowance. For master almost is a not difficult or tough study than a doctor study, so therefore in a doctor they have a higher monthly stipend on board at 2100 pounds. And the further and the remaining things are same as the master, like for transportation, national transportation, insurance, housing searches and all of the things here. And now how to apply that, this is the point which I already discussed with all of you guys. The first step, contact campus France in your country of origin or the French embassy cooperation and cultural action department, who can guide you and advise you to your studies plan. In all over the world, if you have a France embassy in your country, you can directly ask if you have any kind of confusion about this scholarship. Because this scholarship is also a country based scholarship. To learn about the procedure and deadlines for submitting an application, contact the international relation department, and they give information here. I will show you later. It's up to you to choose a school or university that first fit your plan for study in France. All French higher education institute can submit application. So I already told you that you have to find your program in the institute, in a French institute. The French institute will refer your application to the Eiffel Scholarship, Excellence Eiffel Scholarship. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, the institution accept and support your application for the France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship. The institution submit your application online via the dedicated Campus France website. Okay, so this is a basically Eiffel program rule. You can download that material and also read this one. I will show you the PDF file of this one. This is a documentation. I will show you the content list before going to the discussions. You can see that level of study, length of scholarship period, covered services, program objectives, internship, living allowance, tuition and fee, health, housing, regulation, everything they mention in this. You can read about this one. They also mention about the course I already told you, master level and duration of study, internship and exchanges. Further is a gap. If you have a gap, they also may a supervised gap year allows students to suspend their study. Mean that if you take a holidays and go back to your home and didn't come back, they will suspend your scholarship. So you have to remember these kind of mistakes is not eligible for such kind of authorities. A living allowance, they mentioned that as also they mentioned little bit low, but this is for the 2024, but now is the 2025, so they will give you the same amount they mentioned on the website. Travel and transport and health, housing. A campus of France offer recipient a choice of housing in a student dormitories managed by the Kraus, the National Student Housing Agency, or private homes. It depends on you that what kind of housing you wanna take. Okay, you can read about this one here. You can download this file and read all of the things here. Okay, so now I show you another page. This is a Campus France help you that where you can find your program, how to finance your study, where to find Campus France close to your places. For example, if we click it here, like what program are you looking for? So here you can choose different program. For example, you are PhD, the master student will choose the postgraduate studies, and undergraduate, those students who want to go, who want to go for a France undergraduate study, they can also apply. But this scholarship is only for master and PhD students. Undergraduate students will not be benefited, get any benefit from this scholarship. PhD and postgraduate students can will get this kind of scholarship. Okay, so now if we click at PhD level and select consult the catalog, if I click on the consult on the catalog, they will open another page on which you will get different programs. Like I just showed you that. See, they show a doctor school directory on different fields, or if you click on view all the doctor schools, just click on it and they will give you all of the catalog with school name, with department name and with the university's name. Sometimes the website is very complex, that to understand the thing is very difficult, so therefore I make easy everything for you guys, so therefore you can get such kind of opportunities. If still you have any kind of issues, you can comment the section. I will help you to cover all of the things. Okay. Here you can check that institute of is in French because I cannot speak French. University of Paris, University of Paris Scale, Saclay, University of Paris 1, University of Clermont. I don't know what is this. So these have the PhD they are offering. You can click any of one if your program is there. But I'm just showing you that how you can search your PhD, master, if you wanna go for a postdoc, or if you wanna go for a bachelor, how you can search these kind of things. So if you choose any of the program, for example, if I click it here, it's basically engineering, so they will open all of the things here. So you need a French level B1, English level B1, and possibility English as a working language, methodological course and conference. and what kind of studies or research areas you will get in this part, because I just choose aeronautics, astronautics, solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, space environment, a lot of things here. So here you can see that funding, they also giving you a funding in this scholarship, like a, 1,300 pounds is a university based funding. Considering the amount of industrial PhD, the calendar is relatively flexible. Nevertheless, the registration in the PhD institute normally begin October. So because it's already October, it's now in November that the scholarships are open. The other things are open. Okay, now one more thing, that here they mention about the name of a person, and they also mention about the website. Here you can directly contact this person, or if you want to get any kind of information. Okay, now how you can apply in this program? Here you can see on the right side, the top corner, here is a login section. If you look at up, it's a English. If you click it here, they have France and English. If your laptop or mobile showing France's language, you can choose English language, and then you have to click on the login. After clicking on the login, okay, before going to that side, I want to show you one more important thing here. Okay, this is the how you can select a program. Okay, go back. Okay, if you want to find that your country is eligible in this scholarship, you can also find that. For example, select a country. I'm basically from Pakistan, so I'll choose Pakistan here. Where you are looking my video, that you can choose your country and search that. See adapted scholarship program. If I click it here, they will open a page like this one. You can see France excellence, Pakistan climate change. The French embassy in Pakistan awards scholarship to the a young Pakistani student who wish to pursue their higher study in a France at a master level. This year, the call for proposal of full scholarship target the best program, postdoctoral fundings, excellence postdoc fundings, Eiffel Scholarship Program. I just showed you there. This is a master or PhD program. Apply before January 2026. So you will ask that what is the last day to apply for the Eiffel Scholarship Program. So the last day to Eiffel Scholarship Program is 8 January 2026. So this is for master and PhD for Pakistani people, or if you belong any European country, you can search your European country. This scholarship is for non-EU and EU both students. Okay, they also have a early bird scholarship. Early bird scholarship is for two annual session of international and parallel admission. And Eiffel scholarship they have for master engineering. They have lot of scholarship here. You can search about it, and directly you can click it here, and they will guide you the information about it. The program description, you can see that, because wait a minute. If I choose the Eiffel scholarship program here, IFA's scholarship program, they mention about the master and doctoral component. Master component is about, I already told you, for 2 year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and the IFA scholarship duration award is for 3 year, and grant funded by French government, and age limit is 29. If you are going to apply for a master, or age should be under 36 if you are applying for a doctorate degree. You have to read all of the things. Location, all over the France, that you can apply in any French institute. They are the courses that where you have to apply. And step one, this is very important. I already told you that you have to find your program. I already show you that how you can find your programs. We open this part here. See, here you have to go and find your programs. Okay, the further information about the selection procedure is that, the first, if you are get accepted by the university will send your application to the for Eiffel scholarship, and then you will be accepted. But first of all, you have to apply in the institute, because government going to provide you a scholarship. Therefore, government did not directly accept the application, so you should be accepted by institute. Then institute will refer you for the scholarship. The last date is applied for January 28th. Okay, so now let's move toward that. I just showed you that this is a PhD. You have to click on the login. After login, they will show you here this page. You have to make an account here. I just showing you that where you have to make where you have to make an account, where you have to search a program, and how you can apply on the scholarship. The first step is I show you again in a simple way. This is the main website. Come on it here, click on a program. You can select for example PhD and click on consult the catalog. After that you can find the country based scholarship, how to finance your study. Come up here, search your university here and click on it, you will get. After that you can also find a map of all our offices worldwide. You can also find the institute, but it become difficult for you. Better is that you use these two parts. Okay, after selecting the program they will show you the page like this one, like this one, and they will give you information about the institute. They show the institute here, and they give you information about the language, presentation, application and contact, and they will show you a login site here. You have to click on the login, and then you have to make an account, and then you have to fill up the application. So this is the procedure, that how you can easily find a way, how you can search a program, how you can search a scholarship on a country base, and how you can submit your application and wait for the selection by a university. So share this video with your friend that they can easily find this scholarship or apply on this scholarship, because a little bit procedure is tricky, therefore people didn't apply. I show you all of the things here. I will attach this website in the description section. Also I will attach the other link on the description section with name. You can directly go there and find your link and directly find your program, and you can go for application procedure. So remember me in your video. I will make you happy in every video, in every scholarship. Allah Hafiz.